check out this board of all the units that we have. And green is all the empties. Affordable storage again, our newest acquisition outside Cleveland. So we're going to make some keys, and we're also going to put up some cameras because sometime this week, I don't know, it could be tomorrow, we got to go travel to North Carolina. We're buying another facility down there, and so we're getting this one set up. Try to get it set up as much as we can before we have to head down to North Carolina. All right, we're here cleaning some mess up. Got 2 bags of trash there. So getting camera set up right now. There's the camera. Look at some of these old stuff they have. Check out that computer. Hey, guess what? I found this treasure.
Oh,
yeah.
What is that?
Just, you know, a blue little plastic thing.
Oh, okay.
Except for not.
Oh.
Check out this little device. Yeah, turns into a knife. That's right.
A shank. That's a shank. A shiv.
Yeah. If I ever go to jail, I'm taking this rusty knife with me. So I'm gonna do some damage. That's right. They'll never know.
That's kind of
I'll
cool.
hide it in here. So, yep. So don't try to rob me. I have this on all the time. Check out these keys. I have no idea what it is to work. See? Oh, this is their PTI stuff. This is the stuff that's nice and updated, but they choose not to use it.
It's not updated, but it is nicer than what we have outside.
Where's this gray line go?
It goes to the gate system. I'm saying just unplug it from here. Can you do that?
No. Got to rip it off here.
Okay, that's fine.
Or I have to cut it.
Here we go.
Does this have electric? Is that safe? Oh! Okay, I didn't die. I don't think this is the proper way. Does this have, am I gonna get electrocuted here?
Could be a huge mistake. Like Jen's fashion choices.
iPhone, is this?
What you found?
Is this the iPhone 1? Let me look at this.
I don't think it's the iPhone 1.
Well,
probably like close to it.
You know what that means? That means my nephew is getting a new phone.
Merry Christmas.
Jaden, I got you a new phone. Are you watching this channel?
You have to find the charger for it.
Yeah. Oh, that's the charger we just threw away.
Oh.
Yeah.
There you go.
Look at, they had chargers that big back then. Do you remember this? Look at the size of this charger. Yeah,
That was like the original.
yeah.
These things were built like Nokias though.
All right, Jaden, I got you a phone. Should we throw this away? Hello? Do you guys still use fax machines? Give me something to fax to. Is that how it works? I guess we can get rid of this machine. We'll never use this.
Oh, does it like? Oh, I guess it's only one function. Yeah.
We have email nowadays.
Forgot to show you guys the most high-tech thing here. It's our security system. It's already getting an upgrade, so.
You want the telephone or no?
No.
Nice office though. Somebody might buy this. Should we try to sell it or no?
I promise you everything in here is at least 10 years old.
Okay. I think it's a nice phone. We could probably sell it $5.
Do you want to? Anyone want to buy this phone for $5?
Message me, call me. If you want this, call me.
What about the fax machine?
That's I'm not even gonna try to sell that. That's,
Okay.
I'm throwing it.
What about this radio? I mean, this is actually pretty nice.
No, we don't want that.
Okay. What about this printer?
I don't know. Oh, they have a DVR here?
Yeah, it goes to that.
Top of the line monitor. There
There you go.
I found another treasure, guys. It's a voice recorder.
That's so cute.
Yeah. It even has a mini cassette tape inside.
Open it, open it.
That's right, guys.
Oh, that's so adorable. Wait,
This-
play it. I wonder what's on it.
I was gonna play it too, and probably hear a lot of good secret stuff, but it doesn't have batteries, so.
Oh, next time.
But it's pretty cool. It
Like and
records.
subscribe if you want us to get batteries
Yeah,
and play all the secrets.
yeah. Probably have a lot of bank account numbers. And,
Yeah, you did find it tucked away, so.
Yeah. You know, when you buy a storage at an auction and you go treasure hunting and you find a bunch of random things, well, this seller got 9/11 attack. Your Magazine Times. You got a lot of these. So if you find, if you buy storage, you find random things. You find random things like this. There's also a giant safe here. Giant safe. I don't know what's got in here. It might have money, it might not. We don't know. We're not gonna go through it. We're gonna try to look at this thing. You need to have like a weird code to open it. I don't even know it, but it doesn't matter. We don't want it, so we're trying to get rid of it. So this is one of the maintenance unit. They keep random stuff in here. A lot of just random stuff. I gotta clean it out. Oh, there's a vacuum cleaner. We need to vacuum the floor in the office. So that's good. I gotta come in here and clean out a lot of this stuff. Like this DVR or VCR, is that what they call it? It's a DVD player and a VCR. That's old school. So that's what we have. This is my office. It's not quite clean yet. There's a lot of stuff that needs to be done. It was left like this pretty much. But you can see a picture of the property when it was first being developed. That van is still there. Just kidding, guys. That van is not there. See, they got stuff like the phone book. They still have a phone book. Wow. People still use this? It's crazy. So hey, let me show you the units here. Guys, come over here. This is our indoor unit. Oops. That was not supposed to happen. And I don't know where the lights are at yet.
Go down the hall.
No, they have a light here, don't they?
Do they?
Oh. Yeah. So check it out, guys. This is check out. All right, this unit has stuff in there, so you're not supposed to see that. But let's look at this unit. Yeah, this is one of the units. This is probably a 5x10, if I would have to guess. So this is an indoor 5x10. These are swing doors. They're not roll-up doors. It opens like a man door. These are older style doors. They're kind of phasing these out now because they're going with the roll-up doors, but they also have these roll-up doors. Oh yeah, this is a 5x10, or it's a 10x5. So this is a 10x5. So yeah, that's it. This goes outside to more units. We have some lots here, so that's good. That means it'll rent it. We have some units rented. It's 12:11 right now, and we're just about getting ready to leave. So it's a long day. We went around, checked a bunch of units, check the lights and stuff like that, see how it was, and then clean up the office. LED lights, replacing all the lights. You see those ones that are yellow? We gotta do all these yellow ones into the white ones.
Because it's important to do a drive-by at night so you can see how well lit and secure your facility is, and there's just certain things that show up at night that you might not see during the day. Now, lighting is one of the primary deterrents to crime, so you want to make sure that your facility is well lit, and you want to do LED lighting. It's energy efficient. A lot of these facilities will, especially if they were built a decade or two ago, they're going to have your old style lights if they haven't been upgraded, so that's one of the first things you want to do.
Check out this board of all the units that we have. And green is all the empties. Green. I'm just kidding. We actually don't know what the color means yet. We're gonna have to clean it up. But I hope it's not green as all the empties.
You think you're just kidding.
Yeah, I think I'm kidding. But there's a couple hundred greens here. So it's not always about collecting checks, you gotta put in the work too. So this is just one of those times where we gotta put in the sweat.
Yeah, it's so we're in Ohio, so it's nice and warm. And we were outside, opening every door, checking every unit. Yeah.
All right, we're going to A Affordable Storage again. Our newest acquisition outside Cleveland. So we're going to make some keys.